Welcome back to our Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into a fundamental concept that powers many of the advanced AI systems we see today: multitask learning. If you have ever wondered how a single model can handle different types of jobs simultaneously, this video is for you. So, what exactly is multitask learning, or MTL? Simply put, it is a machine learning approach where we train a single model on multiple related tasks at the same time. Instead of building separate, isolated models for each job, we let them share knowledge. Think of it like learning sports. If you learn to balance for cycling, that skill helps you when you learn to ride a motorbike. Let's compare the two approaches. On the left, we have single-task learning. Here, you would train Model A strictly for Task A and Model B strictly for Task B. They don't talk to each other. On the right is multitask learning. We have a shared trunk, the core of the model, that processes the input, and then it splits off into different heads for different tasks. This is much more efficient. There are two main ways to design these architectures. The first and most common is hard parameter sharing. In this setup, the bottom layers of the neural network are shared across all tasks. This forces the model to learn a general representation of the data that is useful for everything, before branching out into task-specific layers at the very end. The second approach is soft parameter sharing. Here, each task actually has its own separate model and parameters. However, we connect them during training using a regularization technique. We punish the models if their parameters become too different. This allows for more flexibility while still encouraging them to learn similar features. Why should we bother with this? The first major benefit is data efficiency. MTL acts like a form of data augmentation. Even if you have very little labeled data for your main task, the training signals from the auxiliary tasks help the model learn robust features. It's like getting free extra training data. The second benefit is better generalization. When a model focuses on just one task, it might overfit, meaning it memorizes noise specific to that dataset. But when it has to solve multiple tasks, it can't cheat by memorizing noise because that noise won't help with the other tasks. This forces the model to learn true, robust patterns. A classic real-world example is autonomous driving. A self-driving car doesn't have one brain for detecting pedestrians and a completely different brain for reading traffic signs. It uses a single vision backbone to process the camera feed, sharing features like edge detection and depth perception to solve all these tasks simultaneously. It is not all smooth sailing, however. The biggest challenge is something called negative transfer. This happens when two tasks are in conflict. For example, the features needed for Task A might actively hurt the performance of Task B if the model is pulled in opposite directions. Performance can actually drop compared to single-task models. To wrap up, multitask learning is a powerful technique that mimics how humans learn, leveraging skills from one area to excel in another. It improves efficiency, boosts generalization through regularization, and creates more versatile AI systems. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into AI architectures.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.